has a DKNY logo, which I do not like.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Faryal Khan, and in today's video we are going to be transforming my bedroom. So if you want to see me how I decorate my room, then please keep on watching. So this is the headpiece of the bed, and I will find out the center of the wall. So the width of my wall is about 280 centimeter. I need to find the center, and from there we will start doing the measurements. Okay, so I bought these shear cutters from Wickes. Best purchase so far. That's how easy it is. And I am going to reassure that I've got the right size. Now I'm going to find the center of this molding, and then we can match the center from the wall, which I have marked already, and I have my laser doing the center, if you can see. And I'm going to cut the same size molding again to do the top part of the frame. The shear has got the angles engraved, so I'm going to cut these frame molding at 45 degrees angle. Cut. That's how easy it is to use these shears. I absolutely love it. Managed to do this much molding. I am short of just one piece, so I'll have to go to Wickes tomorrow. I will get it and get this done. For the curtain rods, I have bought this one. Let's see, from B&Q. This is brushed brass gold color. So these are the curtains. I bought the curtains from Dunelm. That's the close-up. They look so pretty. I got this ready to use wood filler from Wickes, and I'm going to fill in the holes where I have put the nails in the molding, and I've filled the joint as well. And now it's time to coat the molding to get the seamless finish. Remove the excess with the popsicle stick, and this is how it looks so far. I'm using a sandpaper to smooth out the filler marks where I put the filler. And now it's time to paint. Taking over the bed. Apparently he's loving it. Now I'm going to do the mirrors. I've been looking everywhere to find the perfect size to put on that literally in that molding box, and I was having a really hard time. I was either finding something really wide which was touching like literally the molding, or I was either finding very thin mirrors. And I wanted something really simple because the bed is taking over the main show basically. That's the main thing in here in my room. I don't want something really busy or within like bulky design or bulky frame, so it takes over anything from the bed. That's why I made the molding really fine and thin. It's really pretty, and it was only £40. Okay, it's time to unbox the bench. I was just scrolling past the sale items in Homebase, and I saw this beautiful Ottoman bench, and I'm like, oh god, that's the perfect color for my bedroom. So it's kind of like a rose pink, muted pink color. So let's make this. This pair of lamps from TK Maxx last year. I didn't think for a second. The moment I saw these, I just bought. I loved how the detailing is done, the crystal pink and then the white shade and the gold inside. I also bought these pillows from Dunelm sale, and then I also bought a duvet set. It's like a crunched up design, you can see. So I'm gonna put white bedding. I do have one printed with a very like plummy dark navy shades in it. I thought that's gonna look really nice in this bedroom, but I don't have the fitted sheet to match that color, so I am gonna go to the shops tomorrow and get the fitted sheets and matching pillows. But for now, I think I'm gonna go with the white. I also bought these cushions from TK Maxx. Okay, so now I'm going to style my Ottoman bench. So this is the mirror tray I got from TK Maxx. My candle, this was gifted to me by my beautiful friend Sana. Thank you, Sana. I love candles. And probably a book, just to style it. So guys, the room is done. I hope you enjoyed decorating my bedroom with me as much as I did. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!